If you have thought about starting a blog, or if you are just wondering how in the world those bloggers you follow on Instagram make their money, this is the video for you. I'm going to tell you how in the world you can make money blogging, whether you're just getting started, whether you're an advanced blogger, all the things, and you can learn how to do it too. So let's go. Hey, howdy, hey, my name is Jessica Stansberry, and if this is your first time on my channel, I am so pumped that you're here. I am giving you all the tips and tricks and tools that I have used personally to design a life that I love, to live life on purpose, and to do me, make money, and live a good life. So if that sounds like something you're into, hit the subscribe button below so you don't ever miss a video from my channel. Now, like I say, there's a couple of reasons you could be here. You could have been Googling and thought, I want to start a blog, but how do I make money starting a blog? And that's how you landed here. Or maybe you follow some people on Instagram who are bloggers and they seem to live a pretty extravagant life and you're just confused on how they make money. Either way, I'm giving it to you today. So if you are looking for how to make money with blogging, I am pumped that you are here. And I have a really awesome tool for you to be able to plan out how you personally will make money as you start blogging. It is called the Blogger Starter Toolkit, and it's a 4-page guide on how to approach sponsors, get affiliate deals, all the things. And you can grab it by going to heyjessica.com/bloggers toolkit. That's heyjessica.com/bloggers toolkit. I'll link that below and it should be popping across the screen right here as well. So everything in that guide is going to help you expound on what you learn in this video and really figure out how you personally are going to make money, because all bloggers are kind of different in this area and I want to make sure that you are making the right money for you, your niche, your blog, all the things. Okay, so there are about 4 main ways that bloggers make money. Hear me when I tell you that these are not the only ways. Also, these are very similar ways to how a YouTube star or an Instagram star or a TikTok star might make money. So just know that this is kind of universal ways to make money as an influencer, because it's exactly what bloggers are. Bloggers are influencers, bloggers are on Instagram, bloggers are on TikTok, bloggers are on YouTube. So it's all very, very, very similar. All right, you ready? Let's go. The number one and probably easiest way to make money blogging is with affiliate marketing. I have talked a lot, a lot on this channel about affiliate marketing. I have told you how to get started. I have told you how to do all the things with affiliate marketing, how to make the monies, how to increase your money from affiliate marketing, all of that stuff. So if you want to learn more about that in depth, I definitely have some videos for you linked below, as well as some popping across the screen. But more than anything, you need to know that this is probably the easiest way to start making money as a blogger, because a lot of affiliate programs don't require a certain following or a certain clout, if you will, to approve you for their affiliate program. Now, some do, and you won't be able to get approved for them until you're a little later on in your journey, but a lot of them don't. So what you can do is you can go ahead and be an Amazon affiliate. You can go ahead and be an affiliate for that company you love, or this company you love. And through that, you can create content around these affiliate relationships and link back to them. Now, when I say it's the easiest way to make money as a blogger, I don't necessarily mean it's the largest amount of money you'll ever make as a blogger. Especially in the beginning, affiliate income can be very, very minuscule, and it is not something that will grow bigger and bigger and bigger until you get a bigger and bigger following and more traffic to your site. So just know it's going to be small at first, but you can grow it as you go along. You can constantly be inserting affiliate links in your blog post, and when people find those blog posts through Google or Pinterest or your social media or a YouTube video or whatever, they can click through. If they buy from those links, you will make money, and the more traffic you have doing that, the more money you'll make. All right, the second way to make money as a blogger is by sponsored content. Now, this is probably the OG original way to make money, and the first way bloggers started making money back in the day. And that is a company will either reach out to you, you will reach out to them, or there are also third-party companies that act as like a bridge and pair bloggers and influencers with brands. But either way, you guys will pair together and the brand will pay you a certain amount of money to talk about their product on your blog. So this could be anything from they just sent you a free product, but you're going to talk about it on the blog, or that they paid you a certain amount of money and now you're going to talk about it on your blog, or whatever. So just know that these are generally higher priced than like the affiliate income you'll make. But they're usually a little harder to get. You do usually have to have a following built up and prove yourself to them with your analytics and things like that before they are willing to take the risk on saying, I'm going to give you $200 or $500 or whatever to talk about this thing I want you to talk about. This is probably the biggest way that bloggers make the bulk of their money. Honestly, I would say that it's probably like the higher percentage of their income is coming from sponsored deals, because those companies have big budgets to reach out to influencers, to bloggers, to whatever they want to work with, and give them their products and pay them and have them rave about them. I know I personally am influenced almost every single day by somebody on Instagram telling me that they loved something and I need to get it too. I was just myself talking on my Instagram about a book I just read, and the reason that I read the book was because I saw someone else on their Instagram talking about the book. So it's just very much so something where that's the culture we live in right now. We are influenced by the people we read, watch, listen to, and brands know that. Brands know that we are influenced by these certain people, and so they're willing to spend their money with sponsorship deals so that you can get your money, you can get paid for the services you're doing, and you can tell people about the brand. The third way that bloggers are making money is with ads. So I know we've all been to blogs where there are ads everywhere. There's an ad in the sidebar, and there's an ad here, and there's an ad up here. And usually those are coming from somewhere like Google Ads, and they are being embedded on the site. They have a partnership with Google and they get a certain amount of money for each click that comes through each of those ads. So it's usually not a lot either when you're just starting out, but once you have a lot of traffic, these can be pretty massive. There are also other ad placement companies like Mediavine who will allow you to place their code on your website, and then they place ads throughout your content, and for each click, you make money. Now, those companies do generally have a traffic minimum. You have to be getting a certain amount of traffic to your site every single month to be able to partner with them. But I know some bloggers who are making thousands of dollars just from the ads on their blog rather than their sponsored content or affiliates. So it's definitely a good way to do it once you have a bigger following and you have more traffic coming to your site. So don't discount ads. And then the fourth way that bloggers are making money, that you can make money with blogging, and honestly, I think this way is perfect if you are wanting to have more control over the money you do make and you start to have a bigger following who needs more from you, and that is by selling your own stuff. So it's really interesting because bloggers and influencers are just that. They are getting products from other companies and sharing them out to their following. And so a lot of times there's no ownership over what they're allowed to talk about or the product that they're getting in or whether they like it or not. Hopefully most bloggers are not sharing things with you and telling you to buy things they don't like, but I'm just saying. It's possible for sure. However, if you have your own products, and I'm going to tell you kind of what that looks like in a minute, then you can have all the control over the money that is coming in from that section of your balance sheet, right? And the bigger a following grows, the bigger your audience grows, the more they're going to want things specifically from you. And this is a great way to do that. So a couple of things that you could do as your own products is you could have merch. You will see a lot of YouTubers, particularly like of the vlogger aspect, developing, creating, and selling merchandise. So this is t-shirts, tennis shoes, hats, cups, like skateboard stickers, whatever. But they have developed this merchandise based on the brand they have created online, and now they're selling it to their following. The biggest person that I have to use as an example here is Ryan from Ryan's Toy Review. My 6-year-old, yeah, he's 6. My 6-year-old is obsessed with this little boy and this little boy's channel. And most of the Christmas presents my little boy got this year were Ryan toys. They have made him into a cartoon and created toys from him. And it's just the fact that he's him and that he attracts these kids on YouTube that they want them. We just went to the store yesterday to buy a brand new Ryan's Racing game for the Nintendo Switch because we had to have it, right? So you can create merchandise, and your people, if you have done a good job of building a relationship there, are going to want that from you. So merchandise is a great, great way to add an extra stream of income to your blog. The other thing that you can do, which I think is really underutilized by the blogging community, and I have some different feelings on this because generally these types of things are being sold by business owners who don't really see themselves as bloggers, whereas I think that bloggers have more clout with their audience and more availability and ability to make money with these, and that is courses. So let's say you have a mommy blog and you are appealing to the mom and you have a post about potty training that goes viral. You absolutely, somehow or another, it went viral. If you had a course to partner along with that, maybe a $24 course or a $34 course, something really inexpensive, where you could say, you know what, I know you just read it all in the blog post, let me give you this course and you can follow along day by day on how to potty train your kid. It's $24. You are going to make so much money in that way. And again, you have full control over that. Now, that was a mommy blog example. Let me scoot over to the fashion blog examples. So let's say you're a fashion blogger. You could create a course on how to match your body type or how to dress your body type. So you could have a whole course on, here's the 17 different body types or whatever that I'm going to feature, and here's how to best dress each one. So there are opportunities all over the board here for bloggers to be creating courses, and I think it's a really, really missed opportunity. I love home decor, and I talk about home decor a little bit on my blog here and there, and on my Instagram, and something that I could do is I could start to see if someone was, asking the same questions over and over and over again, and I could create a course on that. So maybe they're coming to me for home decor and they love my style, and then they're like, how do I make my house feel cozy? And I have a cozy home course. I don't, but I could. I have a cozy home course, and it's $24, and I just take them through a couple of steps to really help them figure out how to make their house feel cozy and like home as well. So the courses element, I think, is a really, really, really big missed opportunity with bloggers out there right now. There are so many opportunities to be making money with courses by building a following through blogging and then teaching them a higher level of what you teach them on the blog already. So don't discount that either. All right, I'm going to recap these 4 ways really quickly for you. But before I do that, I want to remind you about the Blogger Toolkit. So if you are really wanting to get started with blogging, if you really want to learn how to make money with blogging, all of those things, I have this Blogger Toolkit for you. It is found at heyjessica.com/blogger toolkit. It is absolutely free. It is a guide that will help you figure out exactly where you should be making money and where you should be putting your resources in and where you should be focusing to actually make money from a blog that you're probably already doing. So again, that's heyjessica.com/blogger toolkit. Now, let's recap the 4 ways you can make money as a blogger right now. 1, you're going to use affiliates. 2, you can use sponsored deals and sponsorships. 3, you can use ads on your website. 4, you can use your own products or courses or whatever to make money. So just know that there are tons and tons of ways to make money as a blogger. These are just the top 4 ways that I see bloggers making money, but if you find a new way, I'd love to hear about it. So make sure you comment below if you have any other questions or tips or tricks for other people who might be looking for even more. And make sure you hit subscribe so you don't ever miss another tip or trick to help you live a life by design here on my channel. Bye, y'all.